Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Honda Accord speakers. Begin by disconnecting the battery and gathering basic tools like a panel pry, Phillips screwdriver, and your replacement speakers. Remove the door panel carefully to avoid breaking clips, then disconnect the wiring harness from the old speaker. Compare new and old speaker sizes and mounting holes, test the speaker before final assembly, and reattach the panels. Start with a clear workspace and lay out every tool and part you need so the job stays smooth. Double-check speaker size, connector type, and mounting depth before removing the door panel to avoid surprises. Keep a small container for screws and clips, and mark each group so reassembly is fast. If you hit a wiring issue, a quick multimeter check can confirm whether the speaker or the wiring is at fault. After removing the door panel, take photos if needed to remember clip positions and wire routes. Unscrew and keep the speaker mounting hardware, then unplug the harness from the old speaker and attach it to the new one, taking care with polarity and snug connections. Test the new speaker with low volume before final assembly, then reattach the panel and tighten screws evenly so the panel sits flush without gaps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.